See that engine dancing around like crazy? That's what happens when your motor mounts fail. And if you ignore it, you could be looking at thousands in repairs, or worse, a serious accident. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to spot bad motor mounts and what to do about them. Trust me, this could save your engine and your wallet. In today's video, we'll cover what motor mounts actually do, 5 warning signs of failure, the real dangers of driving with bad mounts, repair costs, and what to expect. Plus, a quick way to check yours at home. What are motor mounts? Think of motor mounts as your engine's foundation. These metal and rubber components are basically your engine's bed, keeping it stable and comfy. Most cars have between 2 to 4 of them, and they do 3 crucial jobs. 1. They keep your engine from jumping around like a kid who had too much sugar. 2. They absorb all those nasty vibrations so you don't feel them. 3. And they keep everything perfectly aligned with your transmission. But here's the thing, they don't last forever. Warning signs. Before we get into the warning signs, hit that like button if you've ever heard weird noises from your engine bay. Drop in the comments if you're dealing with this right now. Now, here are the 5 major signs your motor mounts are failing. 1. Excessive engine movement. Pop your hood and watch your engine during startup. 2. Strange noises. Those clunking or banging sounds. Yeah, that's not good. 3. Intense vibrations. Your steering wheel shouldn't feel like a massage chair. 4. Poor handling. If your car feels wobbly, this could be why. 5. Visual damage. I'll show you exactly what to look for. Dangers. Listen, I've seen what happens when people ignore bad motor mounts, and it's not pretty. We're talking about destroyed engines and transmissions, snap belts and hoses, complete loss of control while driving, and in extreme cases, engines literally breaking free. The scariest part? Most people don't realize how serious this is until it's too late. Repair costs, 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Now for the part you've been waiting for. What's this going to cost you? Single mount replacement, $200 to $500. Multiple mounts, $500 plus. Labor time, usually 1 to 2 hours. But here's the real deal. Ignoring it will cost you way more. I've seen repairs go into the thousands when engine damage occurs. Pro tip, get yourself an OBD2 scanner to check for related codes. I'll put a link to the one I recommend in the description below. DIY check. Here's a quick way to check your motor mounts at home. 1. Park on level ground. 2. Open your hood. 3. Have someone rev the engine slightly. 4. Watch for excessive movement. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this, have a professional check it out. Better safe than sorry. Conclusion. There you have it. Everything you need to know about bad motor mounts. Don't wait until it's too late. Get them checked if you noticed any of these signs. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to catch more car maintenance tips that could save you thousands. Drop a comment below if this video helped you out. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.